how to make money with the Warrior Plus in a 2022, and how I made almost $2,400 with over 210 sales. And I know, guys, regarding to Warrior Plus, everyone is trying to tell you that the only way how to make money there is to start paying for the solo ads, or you should start creating in a blog post or a website. But even after 20, 30, 50 blog posts that you have created, you see no traffic, no sales, and you are just questioning if this is the right way that you should take. Or with the paid traffic, this is turning into the nightmare because you have paid 5x more than you are actually getting back, or maybe you haven't made even in a single penny. So the question is, how to make money with the Warrior Plus if you have no experiences, no skills, you are a complete beginner, you have very low following and zero on your email list. How to make this work? As you can see, I have generated on the Warrior Plus something around $2,400 and made 210 sales on the Warrior Plus in just 2 months. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step what I would do in a 2022 if I would want to start earning on a Warrior Plus. So I'm going to show you how to pick up the most profitable product on a Warrior Plus at the moment, how to get on 100% approved and get your affiliate link, and then I'm going to show you 2 free ways how you can start earning money from zero and basically start for free. Alright guys, so this is the platform that we are going to use. This is called an Warrior Plus. As you can see, this is an affiliate marketing network, and what's really important to say about the Warrior Plus, that on this website you can find 99% of a make money online niche offers. So if you are not in a make money online niche, most probably this video won't be for you, but I still recommend you to keep watching this because you can at least learn how to promote products, because this is the same on a Warrior Plus, on a ClickBank, on a Digistore 24. You can still learn valuable strategy how to make money. So on the Warrior Plus, all that you need to do is just to sign up for free. You create your account, and then we will basically continue from inside. If I'm going to show you my account, you can see that I was able to earn something around $2,400 and earned or get 210 sales. You can see that I have 0 withdrawal, so I'm still keeping this $2,400 on my account. So I should definitely take it and go for some vacation, but I will still keep it because this is safe. I won't take it, I won't spend it, so it's okay. So now let's go to the step number 1, and this is how to pick a highly profitable product on a Warrior Plus. So I'm going to show you 2 different strategies how to do this. So the very first thing that you need to do, you just go to the affiliate and you want to click on offers. This will show you all the offers that you can find on a Warrior Plus. So what you need to check out is the release date, because you want to be promoting just newer products. Then you want to check out the sales conversion rate, and also very important is the refund rate. So what are these statistics showing us? We can actually find out what's the best product and or what was the best converting product on a Warrior Plus. So what you want to be focusing on is actually the conversion rate. So you just scroll through these offers, you want to find the biggest conversion rate possible, but as well make sure that these won't be, for example, free product, like for example this super funnel hero system. So this is very simple strategy where you just check out all of the offers, but when you want to truly make money on a Warrior Plus, there is one thing that you need to use as well. This website is called muncheye.com. This is in a website where you can see all the upcoming launches, but as well big launches. Why is this so important? It's because when you want to start promoting products on a Warrior Plus, you need to hit that marketing wave when this product is new, and you need to find a vendor that has a very powerful launch. And this is super important because you want to start promoting these products in the day of the launch, because if you start 3 days, 5 days, or even 10 days from launching this product, most probably you wouldn't be so successful or so efficient as if you would start on a day number 1. So what's the strategy when you want to start there? You just want to check out all of these names. You want to make sure that you'll be promoting all of these big launches. And how to make this work? You can see that 90% of these launches are from the Warrior Plus, but you don't want to be promoting every one out of these, because you can see on the 30th June there is almost 10 different launches. What you want to do, you just want to start opening these different products or these different launches. You want to find the name, you want to add the name inside of the Warrior Plus, and you want to see if this is some reputable seller or reputable vendor. If it is, you want to start promoting it, because if you take, for example, in a product that is from a completely new vendor that has no marketing, no support, most probably this won't be working for you. So now let's say that we want to take this product from a Branson tie that is a very reputable JV on a Warrior Plus. What you need to do, just go to the JV page. What's in this case just this simple Google document. You want to scroll down, and there you can find a link where you can basically take your affiliate link. And very important part is that you can contact him on a Facebook when you want to get the approval. So you just open this. then you just click on a request the approval, and there you can just send him simple message. What you should add to this message is very simple. Just be honest, tell him who you are, what you are doing, and how you are going to promote his product. If you tell him what you are going to do, for example, that you are going to do some strategy that you saw from me, just let him know inside of this message and he will maybe give you approval. But now let me show you how you can get 100% chance that you will get approval on these offers. One of the ways is that you just go to this JV page, you find there this support URL, and you just go to the support and you just ask there if you could get the approval link. If it still won't be working, you can just go to the Facebook, you can find their Branson's Facebook account or someone that you are going to take the product from, and you just very simple send him the message to the Facebook. If it won't be working as well, try to send him or leave him some comment under one of his photos, under one of his posts on the Facebook, and there is almost 100% chance that they will notify you and they will give you the link. So now those are the ways how you can find the most converting product, how you can find a reputable vendor, how you can find new launch, and how you can get 100% approved to start promoting this and get your affiliate link. And now the question is, how to start promoting this and how to make money from a Warrior Plus. So now I'm going to show you two different strategies. The first strategy is maybe one that you have maybe seen before, but the second one is a strategy that just few people is using this, but I can tell you this is working perfectly in the 2022, so make sure that you will watch it. But even before that, if you are still watching this and you are enjoying this video, then please make sure that you will leave a like, and if you are new on this channel and you would like to learn more about how to make money online, how to do affiliate marketing, and how to build your profitable online business, then you are at the right place. And if you don't want to miss out any of my brand new videos on how to make money online, then please make sure that you will leave a subscribe and as well hit the notification bell so you won't miss out any of these videos. So let's start with the strategy number one. So the first strategy is what most people are doing, that they would just find out that there was some launch. So let's say we will pick one of these launches, for example this Webelow, and what people do, they would just go to the YouTube, and in the YouTube they would just look for Webelow review. They would just add to this, and you can see there are already these affiliates for a Warrior Plus making reviews of these products. So if we will open one of these videos, what we can see that he is doing very simple job. So let's just open this offer that he has in the description because he wants to send people through their affiliate links. What is he basically doing? He's just commenting and reviewing this sales page. So basically what you will do, you just go to website, for example, like is loom.com, where you can start to record the video and you just start talking about what you see on this sales page and start giving some honest review. What do you think about this offer? And as well, you can just go to the JV page or ask the vendor, what is this product all about? Get more information. You just share it with them, build some relationship, and there is a big chance that someone, when he went from somewhere from the internet and he opened your video and click on this and watch this, there is a big chance that he will buy it from you instead from someone else. But now maybe you're just telling yourself, what if you won't be ranking so high like these guys and no one will see your video? Because this is something that can truly happen. So what's one of the strategies that you can do is to create highly quality thumbnail and as well highly quality title, so people will notice you the first. But as well, this is connected to the second strategy. So now let's go to the second free strategy, how you can get traffic and sales from a Warrior Plus. And what I believe is one of the best strategies in the 2022 is to create a Facebook group. Start putting people that are interested in this product into your group, and you can start giving them their reviews or just providing them more info and some support with these products. And this is definitely in a way how you can make tons of money in a 2022 with a Warrior Plus. So how this will actually work, you just go to the Facebook, and let's say that you created a Facebook group just like this, Warrior Plus Wise Investments No BS Reviews. So let's just imagine that you create this group, you just start getting people into this group, and you just start sending them some posts, written posts, maybe some videos, maybe just giving them some support, question and answers, etc, etc. You will build engaged community, let's say from 200, 300, 500 people, which is not too much, that will be interested in this Warrior Plus product. And let's imagine that you will find the right launch, you will send them the affiliate link, and 20% of these people, let's say 100, will buy this. You would just like this make $2,000 out of this. So this is in a strategy that not many people are using, and now you are the one who can take advantage of it. And to be honest with you, there is actually one perfect thing, that if you will connect this to the first strategy, what can happen that you can just send them the YouTube video inside of the Facebook group. All of these people will start watching you on a YouTube. Your video will start going upper and higher in the YouTube ranking, and more people will be able to see you from the YouTube as well. So this is in a strategy that if you will use in the combination of reviews and getting people to your Facebook group, You can just imagine how powerful this is going to be. But now your question may be how to actually get people inside of your Facebook group. For example, very simply, you can just go to this group, Warrior Plus Official, and what you can do, you can just join this group, and when you will join it, you can go inside of the members, you can start adding these people, and whoever will add you as a friend, you can just very simple send him invitation to your Facebook group that you are going to share there no BS reviews about all the Warrior Plus product, and that when they will start watching you, they won't make any mistake when they will buy a Warrior Plus product. Because what is happening very often on Warrior Plus, that these people will buy something and it's not really working for them. So if you are going to give them no BS review, this will be so powerful for you and for them, and you will be able to make a reputable business out of this. And the next thing that I recommend you to create is something that is called a Facebook profile funnel. How this actually works, that there are 3 spots where you should add something that will be connecting people or sending people to your group. The first thing is your cover photo. So in there you should add something that will be actually talking about your group, and there will be as well this arrow to click here and to join people inside of your group. If they will do it, they will just click on this, there will be your link inside of the group and you'll be able to get them there. Second part is that you can add this link inside of the intro, into the bio, but as well here into your details. And the next thing is that you can add it as a pinned post. So let's just imagine that you just add that post, for example, this informational post like is this one, it will be right there at the top, and everyone who will end up inside of your profile will have the straight way to your Facebook group. You'll be growing this group pretty fast, because what will people do if you are going to send them the invitation or the friend request? The first thing that they are going to do is to check out your profile, and those people from a Warrior Plus group, they are already interested in Warrior Plus products. So this is in a perfect way how you can connect all of the dots, all of the strategies that I just showed you, and to truly make money on a Warrior Plus. So guys, this is the strategy how you can truly make money online with the Warrior Plus in the 2022 if you are going to start as an affiliate marketer inside of the make money online niche. So I truly hope that you enjoy this strategy, and maybe if you would like to learn some more advanced strategies on how to make money online and how to go from 0 to 6 figures, then please feel free to join our masterclass. You can find link down below in the description, and in this masterclass I'm going to show you how you can start as a complete beginner with no experiences, no skills, no big budget, without any product, and start earning money online. And those are 5 simple steps that every affiliate, every new future entrepreneur should take. So make sure that you will take this masterclass as well. You can find link in the description. And at the end, this was everything from me. I wish you happy money making on a Warrior Plus. If you have any question, feel free to ask me down below in the comment section. But for this video, everything from me. See you in the next one.